Hi, everyone says Lovable AI can build app in a minute, but can you actually build something useful using the only free plan? Today I will start with a brand new account and use the only AI free credits and try to recreate a real App Store application. Let's see if we can finish before the credits run out. Instead of building another boring to-do app, let's find something fun. Here is Coloring Kids app which has brushes, crayons, glitters, FX stamps, a gallery, and the ability to save drawings. I'm not going to copy this app exactly, I will use it as inspiration and build my own simple version with Lovable AI. Before we start, let's check the free plan exactly. This is a completely new account and let's check how many AI credits we have. This is free subscription and we have only 5 credits. These are all the AI credits we get. So every prompt we send costs credits. Let's see how far away they take us when we trying to create a real App Store application. Writing simple prompt helped me to create a kids coloring app like an app store with good design and needed tools. The goal is generate as much of the application as possible in one request and then trying to edit it. The more specific your prompt is, the fewer credits you will waste fixing things later, but I'm not going this way. I will start with a simple newbie prompt and trying to check what will do a lovable AI for me. Click generating and waiting for a magic. Here is the first results. One thing I wasn't expecting is that Lovable generated multiple design concepts before building the app. Rather than starting from a blank canvas, I can simply choose the direction I like the most. I will go with this one and let's Lovable continue. While Lovable is generated the app, let's talk about what actually happening behind the scenes. It's not just creating a pretty interface, it's planning the layout, generating the component and putting together a working application based on a single prompt. For you, it's simple. You have nothing to do to create a strong and relevant application which you needed. Alright, that actually pretty good results with the first attempt. I only gave Lovable a single simple prompt like a newbie and it already generated the main screen, a sample coloring page and the ability to choose. It also understood that this should feel like a kid's mobile app, not just a simple drawing application. That's really good. Of course, it's not perfect yet. And, there are a few things I would like to improve, but considering this was generated only from one simple prompt, I am a little bit impressed. Let's see what happens when we trying to click and really try to use it. It's already created a dedicated coloring workspace. We see tools, brushes, and color palette and we can see fill bucket. That's really actually great. Let's try to do some coloring magic here. Impressive, really working fine, feeling like a kid for now. Try to save on my screen. I have ready-made coloring. The foundation is already here. Now I want to make it feel even more like a polished App Store application. So let's get back and fix some bugs. Let's check how many credits we have left. 6 credits. We have more than half of credits left, so let's do some detailed prompt to fix all design issues and trying to use all free credits for now. Rather than starting over, I want Lovable to refine what it has already built, basically improve the design, make the coloring experience feel more polished, of course make the UI look like a premium app store app and improve spacing, icons and other features, keep everything else exactly as it is, adding some more few details and tools corrections. I tried to build detailed script for it. Let's see what Lovable can do for us on only free credits. If we are getting next results after our prompt, so let's check preview and see it in a new tab. Honestly, I was hoping for a bit more. It's looked like Lovable was very conservative with changes. That's useful to know because broad improve everything in one prompt don't always produce very good and big results. If we move into our drawing page, we can see that we have new bottoms and change design, so everything works well. We can zoom, can try to use other tools, and it's really work fast, very well for the first one. Okay, let's check how many credits left. Two free credits. We are taking closer to waste all our credits and try to build simple mobile coloring app for kids like an app store. Instead of asking Lovable AI to improve everything at once, I'm going to be much more specific with the next and last request. I want to redesign only the home screen and make it look like a modern app store coloring app. Let's see how we can do for only two left credits. I hope we can have good results and can build a really good App Store application. Alright, now that's much bigger improvement. The app feels more polished and much closer to something you would actually find on the App Store with the categories, with the proper home screen, featured coloring page, and a much cleaner user experience. I also like that Lovable kept the original functionality, which improving the overall design. Instead of rebuilding everything from the scratch, they saved my idea. It was my main goal for it. It's still like a simple MVP, but it's no longer feel like just a prototype. So you can use it, you can test it, you can choose categories, and everything works fine. It actually looks like the foundation of a real application, and we use only free credits. We pay nothing and create a simple application without knowing codes, design issues. Honestly, this is probably where I would stop if I were building a first version. From here, I focus on fixing small bugs, improving drawing experience, and adding more content over the time. But using free version, you only need to upgrade your plan. Overall, I'm really impressed starting with a blank project and spending for it only 15 minutes. Few simple prompts with building a working app store application with a good interface, categories, drawing tools, and user experience. You can ask me, is it perfect? Of course, no. That's not really the goal of the free plan to create something perfect. The goal is really validate an idea and build the working prototype. I think Lovable did a really good job at that. Before we finish, I wanted to see how the app would feel in the real world. I published it on the Lovable domain, grabbed my phone, opened the link, and started testing it. When it's live, it feels completely different compared to using it inside in the editor. You are just opening a website, tapping through the app, and using it like any other product from the App Store or from the browser application. I think that one of the most satisfying part of the whole process watching that someone which gets started as a single prompt becomes a live application you can access from anywhere. If you would like to try Lovable yourself, I left link in the description below. Let me know in the comments what App Store app should I try to recreate next using AI, and maybe we will use paid plan. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.